All right, for today in math, we again have the same goal, so I can multiply fractions by whole numbers. Make sure all you're doing today is just reviewing, watching this video, and doing Homelink 7.4, which will be in the Seesaw. Click the self-check-in again, then submit your work on Seesaw, and then click the IXL. It should lead you to the practice to multiply whole numbers by fractions. So a little bit of review today. I'm going to click up here. Okay, so for example, if I had 2 times 1/3, I want to make sure that I'm doing 2 wholes times 1. Okay, so 2 times 1 is 2, so I'd have 2/3 here. Okay, if I color this one in, it'd be 1/3 and 1/3, a total of 2/3. Okay, next one would be, get rid of that. So 3 times 1, obviously is going to be 3. And then the 2 stays, so it'll be 3 halves. Next one will be 2 times 2/5. 2 times 2 is 4. And then my denominator 5 stays the same. It doesn't change. So 4/5. And then 4 times 2/3. 4 times 2 would be 8. And my denominator again stays the same, which should be thirds. That's a 3. Okay. Or that's improper fraction. So I could write, how many times does 3 go into 8? Well, 3 over 3 equals 1 whole. Then I can do 3 over 3 again would be 2, which would be, I guess, 6/3. Okay, and then another third would be 9/3, so that's too much. So I have 6/3, which equals 2 wholes, and when I take away 6 from 8, and I have 2. So I have 2 wholes and 2/3. Okay, so if you're confused more about how to multiply those fractions by the whole numbers, send me a message in the Google chat and I can certainly help you. But if you have no trouble, go to Seesaw, click Add a Response. Your home link will pop up. That's pretty blurry, I know that. Remember, you can zoom in and scroll up and down. You can add a title box. You can move your title box around. Okay, make it smaller. Type in your answer there. Drawing pictures would be pretty easy to do as well. Okay, you can do that with one of the tools down here if you need to. Again, I would encourage you to use these tools before just taking a picture and submitting it. Okay, here's some multiplication problems at the bottom. Make sure you do the work in your own book first before you type in your answer. Okay, you can maybe show me your work too by adding a page if you wish, and then taking a picture of what you did. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. When you're done, click the green check and it will submit your